Tired of acid reflux? Use these tips. Is your enemy acid reflux? Is it causing your sleeplessness? Are you suffering extreme pain? You can control your symptoms, and the information below will be your guide. Don't overeat. Only eat until you feel sated, your stomach stops growling and ends your hunger discomfort. If you become hungry again shortly after eating, drink a glass of water instead of having a snack. When you eat too much, your stomach has trouble digesting and you may find acid reflux rears its ugly head. Opt for lean meats and food that does not have a lot of fat in it. If you indulge in greasy foods, like French fries, you are more likely to suffer from acid reflux. Try tracking your food for a week and seeing what triggers your heartburn. Adjust your diet accordingly. A poor style of eating can make acid reflux worse. Many people eat lots of food very quickly. Make good nutritional choices and always take the time to eat. Make sure you only eat until you are no longer hungry. Also, when you sit at the table to eat, slow down. Chew carefully and set down your fork between bites. The more fluid you drink during your meal, the more volume is placed in your stomach. This causes more distension in the stomach and adds pressure to the lower sphincter of the esophagus, creating the perfect condition for acid reflux. Try drinking between meals and drink water in small sips rather than big gulps. When you want to reach for a natural treatment for heartburn, consider licorice. You need to choose DGL licorice, which doesn't contain glyceric acid and therefore will not cause hypertension. Chewable tablets are your best bet before meals, and they can be found affordably at natural food retailers and health supplement shops. In order to ameliorate the pain and discomfort of acid reflux, consider breaking your daily food intake into 5 or so smaller meals instead of 3 main ones. This helps prevent you from overloading your digestive system at any one time, making acids work more effectively in smaller amounts. You will soon start to notice a real change in your symptoms for the better. Are you aware of how to do this? Do you want to sleep better at night? Do you want time for your esophagus to heal? You can use the changes you've read about here to help you enjoy your life more. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.